Hello and welcome to the old Fliers. I think flying boats are awesome. They are at home, in the air and on the water. In past videos, we've told the story of a Martin M130 Pan Am flying boat which went missing in 1938 in suspicious circumstances. The Naval Aircraft Factory PN9 flying boat, which in 1925 didn't make it all the way to Hawaii, was another interesting story. This aircraft came down in the Pacific short of their destination. The clever crew made sails and completed their journey as an improvised sailboat. The Pan Am Boeing 314 flying boats were at the time the epitome of luxury travel by air. A correspondent commented that I should do a story on the Martin JRM Mars flying boat. As we talk about the Mars, let us look at beautiful vision of it in action. The United States Navy contracted the development of the Mars in 1938 as a long-range ocean patrol flying boat, which later entered production as the JRM Mars long-range transport. The Martin Company both designed and built these aircraft. It was the largest Allied flying boat to enter production. Just 7 were built. On the 4th of March 1949, the Caroline Mars set a new world passenger load record by carrying 269 people from San Diego to San Francisco. Coulson flying tankers used Martin Mars as aerial firefighters in Canada up until 2013. These were replaced by Lockheed C-130 Hercules water bombers. I visited Coulson's operation in Busselton, Western Australia, where they use C-130s. Pilot Gary Arthur had a fascinating story to tell of their use. Alas, the Mars flying boat would be of no use in Western Australia as we have no large bodies of water, unlike Canada. The Mars tankers can scoop 27,000 litres of water in 22 seconds from lakes and rivers when fighting fires, dropping water from the height of 150 to 200 feet. That hasn't been enough to save this iconic aircraft. In 1959, the remaining Mars aircraft were to be sold for scrap, but a Canadian company, Forrest Industries Flying Tankers, FIFT, was formed and bid for the 4 aircraft and a large spares infantry. Flying Tankers Inc. flew the water bombers to hot spots around the province when a need developed, such as in August 2003 when a large forest fire threatened the outskirts of Kelowna, British Columbia. In April 2007, Timber West announced the sale of both aircraft to Coulson Forest Products, a local forestry company in Port Alberni, British Columbia. The 2 surviving tankers were operated by Coulson Flying Tankers from their base at Sprowett Lake near Port Alberni until their retirement in 2024. In August 2024, Hawaii Mars left Sprowett Lake on its final flight. Philippine Mars departed Sprowett Lake en route to San Francisco, thence to Lake Pleasant in Arizona in February 2025. The Mars aircraft had a crew of 4 and could carry 133 troops or 15 tons of cargo, such as 7 Wiley's Jeeps. The hull draft was 5 feet 6 inches. The wing area was an impressive 3,686 square feet. Power came from 4 Wright R3350 Duplex-Cyclone engines. Cruising speed was 170 knots and a range was 4,300 nautical miles. In its firefighting capacity, in one drop, it could cover an area of 3 to 4 acres. I don't think we will see the likes of Martin Mars again. It will go the way of the Blohm & Voss BV222 and BV238, Consolidated PB2Y Coronado, Kawanishi's H8K, Saunders Roe Princess, Short Shetland and Short Sunderland. Thank you for watching. Liking and subscribing would be appreciated.